Today I am diving into the creation of this vibrant spring card. My key players include the Veggie Happy stamp, Porcu-Pine for You, Easter Party stamp, and many more. You will find a complete list of supplies linked below. I kick off by stamping the images on Nina Solar White cardstock using jet black ink and my trusty Misty tool. For the smaller images, I use a clear acrylic block to make the process quicker. Now it's time to dive into the world of colors. Here are the copy color combinations I'm planning to use. Feel free to refer back to this guide anytime. I will put on some tunes for the coloring phase and return shortly with our next steps. Adding highlights is my next move. A white pigment pen helps me bring the images live, creating eye-catching highlights, then I carefully cut them out with their matching dies off camera. Let's create the background. I will use Tide Pool, Cilantro and white heavyweight cardstocks alongside a stunning lilac textured canvas cardstock. Now I run Peekaboo backdrop background dye with white and lilac cardstock, the home of the little scenes. For the touch of soil, I run the white leftovers through the machine again with the hillside border dyes. From the Cilantro cardstock, I'm creating fresh grass with the grass dye from the mushroom border dyes. I also cut the happy sentiment from the white heavyweight cardstock 3 times to give the die cut a strong, chipboard looking appearance. For the ink blending, I start with Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide ink over the tight pull cardstock to create the sky. Then I continue blending on the green grass with Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide ink. And I create a light brown soil with Antique Linen and Vintage Photo Distress Oxide inks. A bit of splattering with clear and lightly tinted water adds the finishing touches. Now I can start assembling the card. I adhere the soil to the grass. Then I place these pieces in the right place within the white frame. I am finishing the step with a purple layer of frame made with the Peekaboo frames backdrop dies. After this, I position the grassy frame on the ink blended background, trimming any excess from the base. Then I realize I forgot to stamp and heat emboss the word birthday. So I quickly do that on a piece of Cilantro cardstock with white embossing powder. Finally, I style the colored images to create charming little spring scenes. When I finish the styling, I added some dots and sparkle to the background using white pen. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!